You think me can make Auntie Punsi know say me got some face and go fall down and broke me hand? Eh? Right up at the front me there and one piece of stampede me fall down and broke the hand. Me can make Auntie Punsi know that? Eh? Let me call Keisha and video call because me hear say Keisha go at some face and broke her hand. Our friend Sandra call me and tell me. So me I go call her on video call. To find out if I true. Phone a ring. Eh? So our Keisha the she not pick up the phone. When she a call to them, she can answer the phone fast. But now that me a call to ask her something, she can't answer the phone. Eh? You reach the voicemail. Eh? Hey, hey. Her first me hear this. Keisha no answer. Auntie Punsi, I me Keisha call you back. Auntie me see you na call me on video call. Oh, me da take a shower. Auntie me did a beard. And when me run out of the bathroom, my sister ya call me auntie. And auntie me not even put on clothes yet. No, auntie me sister video call ya call me pan auntie. But auntie the camera part now work. If you wanna get trouble, auntie, camera part now work, auntie. Now work, it now work. So that's why me call you back. Yes, auntie, your camera part now work. No, auntie, I don't say me no why you see me. Auntie, you can see me anytime. But the camera part on the phone now work, auntie. Auntie, me don't. The other day me talk to you on the video call, but me don't know where my auntie and the top work. Auntie, you can't hear say me got some face and broke my hand. No, auntie, who could I tell you a thing as that, auntie? Eh? No, auntie, nobody couldn't tell you a thing as that. Mm-mm. No, auntie, no. Them say tell you say me have on plaster polish pan and no, auntie, nothing like that. Nothing wrong with me and auntie, me and they are good. No, auntie, me never go to the some fest. No, me never go there at all. Auntie, when me forget money figure some fest, auntie? No, the money where you send for me, auntie, I it. Remember, sir, it we use to fix the teeth. Yes. Tomorrow the dentist I go put in the train track in the teeth. You know the one when me tell you say look like clothesline? Yes. Yeah, them I go put it in tomorrow. My friend tell you, auntie? Eh? Then auntie, you mean to tell me say Sandra call you from Clara, Jamaica to foreign fi tell you say me got some face? Eh? No, sir. No go so, auntie. Auntie, are the little money where you send for me, it look like it strike her eye. True, she hear say me I go put in the train track in a me teeth. Auntie, it look like it she catch her jealous. Auntie. And I try bad mouth me. Auntie, nothing like that. Yes, auntie, me know say friend are not good something. Me know they not good. Me know they wicked and tan. Yes, auntie, that's why I try to stay to myself. Yes, auntie. But no matter how me try to avoid her auntie, she ever come up a yard. Yes. Cause when she ready, she said she a come look for Samantha and all these things. Yeah, sometimes me glad for her little help and thing, yes. But auntie, no. Mm-mm. Sandra is a wicked. All right then, auntie. Yes. As soon as the camera part of work, auntie, me will call you back. Yes, auntie, me will call you. Maybe tomorrow me carry the phone go get it fixed, auntie. So you can see me on the camera say nothing no wrong with me. Alright then, auntie. Take care of yourself. And big up Mass George for me. You hear? Yeah, big him up there for me. Alright, auntie. Me need to find out from auntie who send go tell her. Say me got some face. All cross his friend them. As them say little something now go on for you, then try to burn bad lamp. Hmm? And we find out which one of them and cut them off. Hmm? Them not gonna know where reach them. Hmm?